Quick update on the fungus situation. When I originally did the video, you can see the red marking all along these black markings. I made those just as a measure, so I can see if the fungus that I was treating was going to grow more into the plant. And as you can see, the treatment that I did for it worked. But I wanted to show you what exactly happens when the fungus, so the fungus or the bacteria, they weaken the parts of the plant, and then eventually they get necrosed and then they die. And sometimes when you don't see and treat the plant immediately, it actually takes over your entire plant. This orchid was really bad. It was really bad, and I cut it. I treated it with fungicide. Again, I will link the video, and then I made these markings because I wanted to see if the fungus was, or the bacteria was growing. I'm not quite sure what it is, but nevertheless, I did whatever I did worked. And I do have a lot of plants. I'm going to pan out so you can see how many plants I actually have in here. This is a humongous plant that I have, and she just blooms all over the place, and she's in a terrarium. I also have a video on that. But as you can see, this tree inside is full of orchids. In January, it's a showstopper. But I do have a lot of orchids in this particular tree. I have some in bloom. I actually moved this one around. Look, it's just a root ball. That's all roots. There's no media in there. Look how huge they are. I think these are my original orchids way back when. But anyway, I have a lot of orchids in here, and I really don't want them to get damaged. So I'm going to check on this one. This one also had something developing, but it has stopped. This, unfortunately, is from the sun, because in the afternoon here it's been super hot, and this little tree got trimmed, so it exposed the leaves to the sun, and unfortunately that's what happens. But if you can see, it has a new leaf there, new leaf there. This plant, this is one, guys. This was one. Now it's about 4 or 5. I don't even know. I may separate them. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. This old girl is beautiful when she blooms. So you see, I do have a lot of plants in here, and if one gets fungus or bacteria, it just affects all of them. So that's what we have going on here. Don't look at this. This is atrocious, but it's just part of the process. And this beautiful, she has one flower, and I also treated her. If you remember in that same video about fungus, I treated all of them, because once one gets affected, forget it. So yeah, they're looking pretty good. Well, no video would be complete without my partner in crime, Leo. He's, as always, making an appearance. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions about any of the products or methods that I use, feel free to leave them in the comments. Also, if you want to see more of this content, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications. Have an awesome day. Thank you.